Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn off offline mode on Spotify using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Spotify app. And now, click on the settings button at the upper right corner of your screen. Now click on Playback. And as you can see at the upper part of my screen, there's the offline option. Okay, so if you want to turn off the offline mode on Spotify, just go ahead and toggle that switch off at the right side of offline. Okay, so now once you click on that, the offline mode is now turned off. Okay, and that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.